What if the zero-calorie sweetener you trust to protect your waistline is quietly reprogramming your genes toward one of the deadliest cancers?
Welcome to Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. Stay informed with quick, easy-to-listen summaries of our latest articles, perfect for when you're on the go. No reading required. Subscribe for free at mercola.com for the latest health insights.
Hello, and welcome to Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. I'm Ethan Foster, and today we explore groundbreaking research revealing how aspartame, the artificial sweetener in thousands of products from diet soda to chewable vitamins, can activate cancer-driving genes in glioblastoma, even when tumors remain hidden.
I'm Alara Sky. A recent animal study found that mice with induced gliomas given aspartame in their drinking water showed dramatic internal changes at the genetic level. Researchers identified a significant upregulation of three key genes, MYC, CDKN1A, and TGFB1, each known to promote uncontrolled cell growth, impair immune response, and drive tumor aggressiveness.
Those findings point to RNA methylation along the N6-methyladenosine pathway as the culprit. This chemical dimmer switch on messenger RNA was turned all the way up by aspartame exposure, heightening the expression of genes that fuel glioblastoma progression, even without any measurable increase in tumor size.
But there's more. These genetic shifts trace back to your gut bacteria. Aspartame disrupts the gut-brain axis by depleting beneficial microbes like the Rickenolacea family, which normally produce short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate that suppress tumor growth and support immune surveillance in the brain.
When those protective bacteria dwindle, you lose vital anti-cancer compounds. Meanwhile, other gut microbes flourish, some that colonize tumor tissues and induce DNA damage, suppress immune recognition of cancer cells, and create a microenvironment ripe for tumor survival.
Aspartame's discovery dates to 1965, with widespread consumer use since the 1980s. It sweetens over 6,000 products. Yet mounting evidence now links it to health issues from obesity and depression to potentially increasing your glioblastoma risk at a molecular level.
The World Health Organization's International Agency for Research on Cancer classified aspartame as possibly carcinogenic in 2023. This new animal study published in Scientific Reports sharpens that classification by showing how aspartame rewires genetic regulation via mRNA methylation and gut microbiome disruption.
Beyond aspartame, other artificial sweeteners like neotame and sucralose also damage gut health. Neotame has been shown to invade healthy gut bacteria into the intestinal wall, causing barrier breakdown and inflammation, while sucralose induces dysbiosis and alters glucose and insulin metabolism in humans.
These findings reinforce earlier rodent studies from 2006 and 2010 that described aspartame as a multi-potential carcinogenic agent at doses below acceptable daily intake, and a 2012 Harvard research paper linking aspartame to blood cancers in both genders, among other alarming associations.
To protect your cellular health and reduce cancer-promoting conditions, the first step is clear. Eliminate aspartame and all artificial sweeteners from your daily intake. Stop drinking diet sodas, avoid sugar-free gums and chewables, and read labels vigilantly for hidden names of these additives.
Next, switch to natural sweeteners in moderation. Raw manuka, honey, maple syrup, and coconut sugar can satisfy your cravings without hijacking your gut microbiome. And fresh fruit offers fiber-rich sweetness that feeds beneficial bacteria rather than fueling disease.
Restoring your gut flora is also crucial. Incorporate whole fruits, well-cooked vegetables, and tolerated starches alongside fermented foods like sauerkraut, kefir, and kimchi to reintroduce probiotics. Collagen-rich bone broth supports your gut lining, helping rebalance microbial diversity.
Targeted carbohydrates are key for proper mitochondrial function. Most adults need around 200 to 250 grams of carbs daily. Undereating carbs can trigger reductive stress in your cells, exacerbating the chaos tied to aggressive tumors like glioblastoma. Reintroduce safe carbs gradually, based on your gut's tolerance.
Finally, remove other common triggers of cellular damage. Eliminate seed oils, minimize electromagnetic exposure, avoid xenoestrogens from plastics, and cut ultra-processed foods. Each of these factors can compromise mitochondrial and microbiome health, further fueling cancer-promoting conditions.
Here's your practical challenge. Starting today, scan the labels of everything you consume. If any product lists aspartame, neotame, sucralose, or similar additives, replace it with a natural alternative. Then, plan your meals this week to include at least one fermented food, serving daily, and a collagen-rich broth. Thank you for watching Dr. Mercola's Cellular Wisdom. We'll see you on the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.